I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 It feels like a curse.
The exhilarating 2024 Audi RS6 Avant GT captivates enthusiasts with a symphony of power, and the video begins with an auditory feast. The deep, resonant growl of the 6 rupees Avant GT's engine commands attention, signaling the formidable performance that awaits. As the engine roars to life, the distinctive sound profile sets the stage for an immersive experience, echoing the car's high-performance pedigree.
No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep.
Moving to the interior, the video provides a glimpse into the luxurious and driver-centric cockpit of the 6 rupees Avant GT. Audi's commitment to meticulous craftsmanship is evident in the premium materials, finely tailored finishes, and advanced technology seamlessly integrated into the cabin. The driver is enveloped in a sophisticated environment that blends comfort with high-performance functionality. The RS6 Avant GT's interior isn't just about aesthetics, it's a technological powerhouse. The video showcases the cutting-edge infotainment system, responsive touchscreens, and intuitive controls that define Audi's commitment to a futuristic driving experience. From navigation to connectivity features, the 6 rupees Avant GT's interior is a testament to Audi's mastery in combining luxury with advanced technology.
My mind, there's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna.
Stepping outside, the video explores the exterior design of the 2024 Audi RS6 Avant GT. Every curve and line reflects a perfect marriage of aerodynamics and aesthetics. The aggressive front fascia, sleek LED headlights, and distinctive grille contribute to the 6 rupees Avant GT's sporty and commanding presence on the road. Audi's attention to detail in exterior design speaks to the car's performance capabilities. The RS6 Avant GT's exterior isn't just about looks, it's a carefully engineered package. The video highlights aerodynamic features, such as sculpted lines and air vents, designed not only to enhance the car's visual appeal but also to optimize performance. The RS6 Avant GT is a true sports car in the form of a practical and stylish avant-garde estate. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS6 Avant GT is a harmonious blend of breathtaking sound, opulent interior luxury, and striking exterior design. This video provides a sneak peek into the sensory delights that await enthusiasts fortunate enough to experience this high-performance machine. The RS6 Avant GT goes beyond being a mere car. It's an embodiment of Audi's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence.
Shows me how to see